Okay, finally we have the yellow parity. Sometimes you wind up with this and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you wind up with a couple of yellow parities like this. And this is, I guess, probably the longest algorithm there is to know when solving the 4x4. It's kind of a pain, but once you do it a handful of times, you'll get it down. But it's something that you'll have to practice for sure. And it's kind of part of what makes solving the 4x4 cool. Is it's like the hardest step sometimes is left for the very end. So the way to solve it is you have the problem area facing you, and I'll go through this here. So you're going to be moving just the center rows sometimes, and anytime you move the right center row, you're going to be spinning the top around afterwards, and anytime you move the left center row, you're going to be spinning the face around. So it kind of helps to think of those as going together. So I'm going to spin the top, or excuse me, the right center down, spin the top twice, spin the left down, spin the face twice, spin the left center row up, spin the face twice, spin the right center down twice, spin the top twice, right center up once, top twice, right center down once, top twice. And you line these up, so I'm going to spin the face twice. I'm going to spin this row down twice, and then the face twice, and then it's solved. So I'm going to do that again, the same algorithm again, which will rotate this back so you see it again. So it's center down, top twice, side down, face twice, side up, face twice, right center twice down, top twice, right center up once, top twice, right center down again, top twice, spin the face, right center, and then the face comes back around. You wind up with the yellow parity again. So I'm going to do it one more time here. There you go, bro.